Well, hello, and welcome to M's Garage. Today we're going to be adding a vehicle to our garage, and it's probably not what you think. All right, so if you've been following my channel, you know, we have right now we have a Tesla Plaid. It's a loaner. I have a P90D, and then the other thing, and go this way, is the McLaren. We have a Porsche Macan Turbo as well, but today we're adding a new vehicle, and that vehicle is the Velotric Electric Bike. Now, this is something different. It's not a car, and most of my, my content is car related, but I do have the Tesla electric vehicle, and right now, I just picked up this electric bike. That should not be upside down. There's arrows on the side of the thing that says not upside down. So FedEx, you did me a little bit wrong, and hopefully nothing is messed up. But this is the Velotric electric bike. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing today. I'm gonna be putting it together. It's called the Nomad. I got the Nomad 1 version that, it's about $1,500. But it's got a 55-mile range. It's pedal assist, so you can actually use it, to get some exercise, which I actually need. And if you've been following my channel, my face is a little more round than it used to be, so I'm hoping to get some exercise. But if I need to get to work a little faster, I can use the throttle and, plus the pedal and get there, about 2 miles away from here. So I'm planning to commute with my bike a lot more often than some of the other bikes that I have here today. So today we're gonna be putting that bike together and doing an unboxing, and we'll just get to it. Those nails. All right, so that's part of the unboxing. If you haven't followed my channel, I have a bad back. So, I'm technically disabled. I can't lift more than 20 pounds, so I get pretty creative on how things are. This bike is like around 75 pounds, I think. So there's no way I could lift this up. Like I said, 20 pounds is my max. So I swivel things out. I get my daughters, they know about my back. So I'm blessed, I have my daughters, they help me with a lot of things. And sometimes on the channel, you won't see the lifting that goes on, but my wife, my daughters, they know about my back, so they help me out, with a lot of the heavy lifting. And so today, we're working on this, and I'll get them to help me lift this up, but it's a heavy bike. And there's lighter bikes, but this is the Nomad version of the Velotric, and it's made to go off-road as well and to be used on the road. And we'll be putting that together today. This is our toolkit. So everything we need is in here. Bell, reflector, cables for the charger, pedals. So the first thing we start off with is the kickstand. All right, we're gonna start with the steering. Just lined up, we'll put the other screw down here. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the wheel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this plastic tab. And that is where the brake is gonna go into. Okay, so we're gonna remove that plastic tray underneath. Yep. And we're gonna try to put this in here. Put the brake in there. All right, so that disc brake is in there, it's in between the calipers. Everything's there. We're gonna tighten this down. Looks like the 25 foot-pounds or 30 to 35 newton-meters or whatever it is. All right, so the bolts on the tire need to be torqued down. There's a tool there, but it's just a wrench, a socket wrench. But I'm gonna actually use a torque wrench to torque them down to, I'm using 25 foot-pounds, which is around 33, newton-meters or whatever the NM is. I always use foot-pounds, and we'll go ahead, and I already did the first one, so that's down, and that's a 1932. That's actually a 15 millimeter. There you go. All right, so on this side, we've already done the kickstand, 2 screws. That was the first thing we did. We're gonna go ahead and do the left pedal. This is gonna go the opposite way. All right, so now we're gonna work on the front of the bike. We're gonna attach the light. So this cable goes into the red. All right, so next we're gonna put the display on. Here's remove the screws. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna engage the battery. So we're gonna go ahead and unlock counterclockwise and pull it out. There's a guard here. I'm gonna remove that. And then lock it. And from there, once it's locked, we're gonna go ahead and hold the power button. I think it's this button here. Actually, it's the top button. Hold it down and it's on. And battery needs to be charged. So we're gonna charge it, fill up the tires to 30 pounds, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so that's gonna be it for today's video. As you can see, I actually took the bike out for a ride. It's pretty hot and humid out here. I'll do a follow-up regarding more of the experience of the bike. So far, the assembly of it was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The instructions are really good. They actually have a video for it as well. You can watch this one as well. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I took it out. There's 5 different levels of pedal assist. So when you pedal, it actually starts up, that electric, motor. So it starts helping you. And there is a throttle on there. Like I said, I'll go through all of that later on, and I'll show you kind of, run through how it works. I might take it to work tomorrow. I'm actually charging the battery back there. So you can see it's removable, and it's right there on the, my workbench. So that's gonna be it. Velotric, so far, first impressions, very excited about it. It's fast, I was doing about 26-7 miles an hour, more downhill, but you definitely can pick up speed. Make sure you wear a helmet. But looking forward to doing a little bit more, videos regarding the electric bike. It's my first, and I used to ride motorcycles. Should be on the wall. There's some of my motorcycles I've had in the past. So I love that feeling of just being out there and having the wind going through what's left of my hair. But anyways, hopefully, you'll follow, you'll like these videos, and you'll remember to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have one of these bikes, or if you have a different electric bike, any tips? I'm new to the game, so anything you want to share with me, please go ahead and leave some comments, and I'll see you at the next one. Y'all take care and stay safe.
gosh. Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, I'll hold it.